Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Very simple and very easy today. We're going to make some tzatziki sauce. Great if you want to sort of dip it in with some bread, some pita bread, and just eat it like that. Superb on a nice kebab. Imagine a nice chicken kebab or a lamb kebab with some of this beautiful sauce over the top. Delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So we've got our cucumbers here, just peeled them. We're just going to grate them off. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt to them. Set it aside. And then we can get moving with our yogurt and our other little bits and pieces. Super easy, super delicious. Fantastic just on its own, you know, maybe with a bit of pita bread or something. Or on a kebab or something like that as a sauce. Let me get this finished. So there you go. You can see that's grated really nicely. Now I'm going to get some salt on there. Maybe like a teaspoon of salt, that is, against maybe 1.5 to 2 cups of grated cucumber. All you need to do is set that aside. Then we can move on to the next step and make this beautiful tzatziki. Okay, so I've got my yogurt here. Now, Greek yogurt is best for this. If you're going to use a natural or just a plain yogurt, you can, but yeah, try and get Greek. Greek's better. And what I like to do is I like to whisk it just for a minute or so, and then it will get really smooth and creamy. Okay, so I've left this cucumber for maybe 10 or 15 minutes now, and you can see it's full of water. So what I want to do is I want to get a cloth, like a cotton cloth, a tea towel or something, put it in, squeeze all the juice out of it, all the liquid out, get it back in that bowl. We're going to squeeze that right out now. So I've just got loads and loads of water out of that. That's perfect. Okay, so let's do it. So we've got our yogurt there. Now look, regarding the amounts, you can really play around with this. Loads more cucumber, loads more yogurt, up to you. So like I said, I've got about 2.5 cups of yogurt there. There's our cucumber that we've strained out. I've got that there. Olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil. Garlic. That is less than 1 clove. You don't want to crowd it too much, I would say. Fresh dill. Now some people would use mint, dried or fresh mint, but I think that the dill works the best. Now, this is what I like to do. This is a white wine vinegar, and that is like a teaspoon for that amount. Just a little bit in there. I'm going to add some black pepper to this. Now, if you wanted, you could add salt. Now, I always find that we've just put a load of salt on the cucumber, didn't we? So that's usually enough for me, but we can taste it afterwards. We're going to give that a mix, give it a taste, and adjust it if we need to. So for me, I just had a little taste. It's absolutely delicious, but I just want to get a little bit more black pepper on there. I am super happy with this. Again, reminds me of many years ago being in Greece at a taverna, having a nice beer overlooking the Mediterranean. Some nice Greek salad, some lovely swordfish, or some sort of lamb or something, some lamb kebabs. Definitely some chips or French fries. And loads of that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.